Ito, kamusta? Sorry, medyo busy ko lang. So, sige, diretso mo na. So, candidate number 14 is your question. Number one question. As a teenager, what can you do to save mother earth? Very simple. Living life. As a teenager, what can you do to save mother earth?
As a teenager, you're gifted with so much energy, knowledge, and intelligence. So as a teenager, I guess that what we can do is be an avid supporter of the environmental causes, participate in small things that will contribute to the rehabilitation of our environment. Like just little things like saving electricity when not in use, not littering, avoiding littering, and so much more. Thank you.